Man, what's up, y'all boys and girls? I'm back with another educational video. Yeah, as y'all can see, this is my first video. Put my face on camera. I'm looking rough, but I'm not what this video about. So I'm gonna show y'all boys and girls how to make 1,200 in 30 minutes, right? And this for all the YNs that trapping and doing illegal stuff that say they were born in poverty, so they don't know how to get out. This a way for y'all to get out legally, right? It's a way for y'all to get out legally, and it's good money. You just gotta stay down, grind till you come up. That's all there to it. Now let's get to the video. I'm gonna show y'all boys how to make 1,200 in 30 minutes. 1,200, man. Bam. Now this is March. This my account with my funded futures. Alright, this is my account with my funded futures. Yeah. As y'all can see, I made 560 to the first day, 5 trade. This day right here, I lost 1,200, but it's because this is evaluation. This day, if y'all watch my last video, I made 1,250 my first trade, but since this evaluation, I wanted to make more, at least 500 to 600, because I'm trying to get done with this valuation. I'm not gonna lie to you, but if it was a funded, this would have been a 350 day. And you see, I made 1,006 trade, basically just trying to make that back, but I wasn't greedy, right? So I didn't have to make the whole 1,300 back because I just wanted to make majority of it back because I made 562 this day. Then I made another 300. I learned my lesson from this day, so I'm like 301 trade on a 25K. I mean, say on a 50K account. I got $2,500 of drawdown. I'm satisfied with that, cause I need to pass this account, right? I can't be trying to speed through the account. That would fuck a lot of people up, trying to speed through the account. So all of that is for March. Now this April, I only had the account for about 10 days. Yeah, this April, you see, I made 182 this day, 6 trade. Then this day, I lost 1,200. My first 2 trades was a win, so I was up like 380. But like I said, since this evaluation and I only made 182 this day, I tried to make 400, 500, 600. To speed up the process because this is a evaluation, and this why I've been failing my evaluation, because I'm used to instant funding with fast track trading. I'm used to just going straight into the money. Like, I'm not used to trading evaluations like that. So my discipline be off with evaluations. But we gonna get with it. And you see, I just made all that back. 12 trade, 13 trade. And this is what I want to get to. 1265. I made that before 10 o'clock. And that with them other 1,200 days too, I made before 10 o'clock. This 20 trades. You might be looking at it like, damn, 20 trades for $330. Well, my first few trades was a win. But like I said, I'm trying to really get done with the account, and it's playing a big part. So my first trade, I made $450. So I actually lost some. I made $450 my first trade on this day. But then, I tried to take another trade to make at least 800 this day. You see what I'm saying? But that led to me losing some trade, winning some trade, losing some trade, winning some trade, because I was rushing. Because I normally don't take this many trades. This is a lot of trade. This about how many trades I normally take. And if I'm on a tip day, it'll be around this many trades. So, yeah. Now let's get to I'm showing y'all my account. I'm up 1,500 on the account. Halfway done. Halfway done, boys. Let me go to Trading View. Let me show y'all how to make 1,200, right? Look at this. This is the 5-minute chart. I wish I can replay the 5-minute chart and the 1-minute chart at the same time, but I really don't know how to do it. But this the 9:30 candle right here, as you can see. And this how I got my chart set up. See this fair value gap? Look, it broke through just a little bit. And then once it got back right here, this would have been my first trade of the day. And it was my first trade of the day. The day that I made that 330. This was the first trade of the day. And I got in right here. And I got out about right here. Hold on, and I got out about right here. So I made like $450 that first trade. But if I would have held all the way to the top, that would have been like a $1,200 trade. Now I just gave y'all the 5-minute rundown. Now let me press the play button on the 1 minute. Let me speed it up a little bit. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, bam. Stop it right there. Oh, this the 9. Oh, that's the 925 candle. Hold on. But as you can see, the 925 candle hit the fair value gap and rejected. Like this easy. Like with these fair value gap, you don't even have to really know it because I got the indicator. But I know how to spot fair value gaps on my own. I just use the indicator. To like, so I won't have to spot every single fair value gap. But look at this, man. This 927 right here. Like I showed y'all, if y'all would have got in right here, boom, that's an easy $300 plus. If you would have got in right here, boom, it shot all the way up here. 928. Boom, 929. It came back down. And there was a re-enter right here. You could have entered right here off that wick. See, I got it in down here. No, this is 930 candle, so I got in about right here. As you can see, I got in about right here. Ran it up to about right there. That was about 450. And I got out, but if I would have held all the way up here, that would have been like 1,200. And that's just a quick little example. But yeah, that was my first trade of the day. But I can go in depth, like when I'm really trading, I can show y'all like the correlation between the 5-minute and the 1 minute. See, right now I can't really do it because I can't show y'all the 5-minute. But look, as you see again, I just paused it. It hit this fair value gap one more time. And it came up the hill. And I only trade at 9:30 or after. So, in this New York section, as y'all can see, the green mean New York section, the green box. The red, that's London, as you can see. Man, I'll give y'all a breakdown of all my indicators and how to trade this scalping NQ. I only scalp NQ. My trade lasts 1 to 3 minutes, and I'm making $300 plus. Man, come on, man. Man, see, it won't even let me press play on it. Well, I'll give y'all an in-depth breakdown. You know, y'all just let me know if y'all want the strategy and all that. I basically do the same thing Andre Diaz do. Fair value gaps, breakouts. Like, you see how it broke out past London on the 5 minute, and it hit that fair value gap, and it retraced. Like, I look for stuff like that. It broke out the London section, and it hit the fair value gap outside the London section on the 5 minute chart, and it correlate with the 1 minute fair value gap. I just can't show y'all because I'm not actually trading right now. But when it hit that fair value gap outside that London, that's pretty much guaranteed. It ain't guaranteed, but it's a 80%, 90% chance that it gonna retrace, that it going to retrace, because it broke outside the London and then it hit a fair value gap. You're gonna at least get a 10 to 20 point retracement, at least. And sometimes I be catching runners, like it go all the way to 100 points, 150 points. I be catching at the very beginning of the trade. I just closed my trade early because I don't know why. I could have been done with the challenge if I was just holding my trade, but I'm a scalper, so I'm not just used to holding trades and stuff. But I don't want to make this video too long. Y'all just let me know if y'all want my strategy. If y'all want me to get an in-depth to all my indicators and show y'all some live trades, because Monday I will be recording a live trade. A live trade. So y'all just let me know. You know, give me feedback. I know my quality not A1 right now because I'm just starting my YouTube journey back. But yeah, just let me know. And y'all, I promise you, this the easiest money. If you got discipline, this one of the easiest strategies, easiest money you can make. I get up at 9:30. I'm gonna get up at about 9:15 every morning and trade 9:30 to really 10 o'clock. By 10 o'clock, you should have found at least 2 trades that you made profit on by 10 o'clock. It just don't rush. Be patient. If you be patient, you only train in 1 minute. So if you be patient, you're gonna have plenty of trades to catch after you fair value gap. Plenty of trades. So just be patient. It's gonna be another opportunity. But that's all I got for this video, guys. I see y'all Monday.